Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. So today we'll be doing something different. It's a social media flyer rather. Sorry for that. And it's it's for just an imaginary um company. I did it just to trying to create something in case you have similar projects, so you can use it to sell to your clients. This is trendy design that we see online these days. So I try to make something around it, to try to educate and give you guys something to hold on to. It's very simple and very straightforward. So let's start. So what I did was to download this image online. See this background. Sorry, I already logged it. You can see this background. It was downloaded. I added pattern overlay to the image, to the image, or you can actually decide to apply a grunge feel, but I did pattern overlay. Then I created a rectangle. This shape here, each shape you are seeing here, sorry, let me lock it again. This shape you are seeing here was created. Let me show you what it entails. I added bevel and emboss. Inner bevel smooth, depth 43, size 13, soften 9, highlight mode screen, shadow multiply. You can see it here. Then I added a little bit inner shadow, opacity 4, distance 54, choke 0, size 33. Then my favorite color, this gradient overlay, at 0 you would have F7971E, and at the end you have FFD 200. Then drop shadow as usual. That one you might add and you might not add it if you want. So that was how I got this particular design. Now for this here, you will be wondering how I got this. The same way is loading bevel and emboss, depth, inner bevel smooth, depth 43, size 13, soften 9, and these settings here, the same setting. For the contour I added range of 3, and stroke, and for the stroke I added 4, size 4, opacity 100. Then inner shadow, you have these settings here. For the gradient overlay, I wanted to have a feel of black and a feel of green, so I did at angle 0 the usual black 0000, and at 100% I added OF9B0F. Then also drop shadow. Then I duplicated this, the shapes was duplicated. Then for this text you can put anyone, but for the font I used Montserrat semi bold. Then for this shape too, I copied this shape component. I copied it and pasted it here. So you can do that by right clicking, copy layer style, copy layer style. Then you will come to any shape you want. Let's see this shape, and you will paste layer style here, so to make your work faster. Then for this I used, as you can see, all this flare. You can see as usual my own flare that I usually use, and also a green flare, because this image was downloaded. And I can see that they have somewhat green here. They have green color here, and also they have red kind of color. So I had to make everything blend, so you can see it's looking like it's reflecting on the hand, and also the green here is also reflecting, so you can see difference. Then this also was gotten online. This you can see I just placed the image here for the purpose of this tutorial. So if you want to do for your client, you can actually create it for them and make it in a rectangle shape and place it here, so it will look like it was created for this particular phone. So that was exactly how I got this design. So, and this also was downloaded. So I'll be dropping the PSD file in the link below. Please do well to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you.